Welcome to Day 5, the grand finale. Today, we're finishing our smoothie week with this unique steamed carrot cake smoothie. It's fruit-free, high in protein, and designed for total body recovery.
First, add the steamed carrots into the blender. Steaming them makes them easier to digest and gives the smoothie an incredibly creamy texture. Next, add the pumpkin seeds, a handful of raisins, and some soaked oats. For that high-protein punch, add thick Greek yogurt and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Finally, pour in some milk and a pinch of cinnamon, then blend it all together. And there it is, our rich, creamy, fruit-free carrot cake smoothie. And that completes our 5-day smoothie week challenge.
I encourage you to try these 5 smoothies. For the next 5 days, you will truly feel the difference in your energy levels and overall health.
If you love these smoothie week recipes and found them helpful, please give this video a like and share it with your friends. I'd love to know in the comments which day was your absolute favorite.